Hey guys, it's Carrie with Mama Dares the DIY, and I want to thank y'all for tuning in today. Now, whether it's your first visit to my channel or you're a returning subscriber, I want to say welcome, my friend. I'm really pumped about today's video because y'all, not only do I get to do a review for y'all, I have convinced Simply Earth to also let me do a giveaway of one of their boxes. And y'all, this is going to be so much fun. So the DIYer in me was totally stoked about this box because I love essential oils anyway, and when Simply Earth reached out and wanted to know if I would review one of their boxes and I started looking at the company, I jumped at the chance because y'all, you also get to make things with the oils that they send you. You get cute little recipe cards and it's a lot of fun, and most of the little projects only take like a minute or two to make, which is so easy. And so this is the first box, and it's also the bonus box, which means you have some extra goodies in there. So keep watching as we unbox this, and I'll link the details below for the giveaway. It's super easy to enter, just like all of my giveaways are. Okay, y'all, so let's jump right into the box and see what we've got here from Simply Earth. Now, this is my very first box, so you can see that it's a bonus box. And y'all, this sucker is heavy. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, it weighs a ton. And look, I think this is so cute. They show you exactly who packs your box. And it looks like Katie packed this box. So thank you, Katie. Okay, so let's jump in and see what we've got here. Okay, well, this is cute. Enjoy your box. Okay, so we can invite, subscribe, and claim. So you can share your coupon code with your friends. When your friend gets their first box free when they subscribe, you get a free box free box for every friend that subscribes. So that's kind of cool. Their referral program is pretty good. So you give a free box, you get a free box. This is just like their mission statement. Okay, now this tells you about the bonus box value. What's included? You've got your coconut oil, your almond oil, your oil, fractionated coconut oil, your roll-on bottles, and your 5 ml bottles. So this is over a $40 value that costs you nothing extra, that comes with your very first box. And you're actually going to get another one in with your 6th box. So every 6 months they send you another bonus box, which is kind of cool. Okay, and then these are just some cards that you can give out with your referral code on there that you can give to your friends. So your friend gets a box and then you get a box. So it's kind of cool. See, this is how the bonus box works. You get this one, you get your month 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then your 6th box, you get another big bonus box. So, yay, I love bonuses. Okay, let's see who packed this box. Cheryl packed this box. She must be from Louisiana. Who dat? I bet she is. Super cute. I love their packaging. Super nice packaging. SimplyEarth.com. 100% pure, which is really super important. Pure, honest prices. And I will say that their prices are amazing. You can, even their little accessories and stuff that you can order are super reasonably priced. And then there's their Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest links. Be sure to follow them. So this is what's in our bonus box. Y'all, I can do some stuff with this. You know I'm going to hold on to this. Okay, so here's our coconut oil. This is our carrier oil. We've got our cold pressed coconut oil. This is going to be the solid form, and then this one is going to be your liquid form. So you've got some beeswax. Then you've got all of your, oops, just kidding. There's some almond oil too. Okay, so now you've got your little roll-on bottles and your little 5 ml bottles. Super cute for blending your own blends, and also for doing roll-ons. I think one of the recipes this month actually is a roll-on, so that's kind of neat. Okay, so now let's jump in and see what we actually have in this box. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay. Okay, so not only do you get all of your essential oils, you get 4 essential oils in the box. So this is November's box, and we've got some cinnamon, eucalyptus, some lime, and Tranquility. Tranquility is a blend, and I did go ahead and smell this, and y'all, it smells just like a spa. Super amazing. Okay, so we've also got a little tea bag. We're going to be using this in one of our recipes. We've also got some of our lavender flowers that are dried, as well as some powdered whole milk. Now, all of this is going to be used in the recipe cards that come with your box every month. And then you've got your little stickers that you can put on the things that you make. So like if you do a Tranquility and lime blend, you just take one of your little 5 ml bottles and you put this on the top, and that tells you what your blend is. Super neat. Okay, so let's take a look at what we can make this month. So we can do the lime and eucalyptus roll-on. I'm definitely going to be doing that. We've got the Tranquility and lime diffuser blend. I think I need to be diffusing some of that right now. We've got the lavender buds and Tranquility milk bath, which is probably what we're going to use the powdered milk for. Shower steamers, eucalyptus shower steamers. Okay, these do take 24 hours to dry. And that's the one thing I love about their recipe cards. It tells you exactly how many minutes it should take you to do. We've got our chai tea bath salts and our oatmeal and milk bath. Super neat. Okay, let's see what's on the back of these cards. There's lots of fun stuff on the back. Okay, this is another thing that tells you about their referral program. Okay, let me tell y'all this. There's one thing that I really loved about this company, and it is that they give back. So they actually give back 13% of their profits to protect, to fight against human trafficking. And I think that is simply amazing. So this month, they're giving 13% to the Daughter Project. That's so awesome to give back. Okay, so now this tells you what you're getting this month. These are your oils. These oils alone would cost $112 if you got them from this company here. And a toxic-free chemical home without breaking the bank. Again, y'all, their prices on their items are simply awesome for 100% pure oils. I was very impressed. Okay, and then this just gives you an invitation to their Facebook group. Definitely check their Facebook group out. Okay, and then this is a sneak peek of December's box. So, next month is going to be in the spirit of Christmas. It's going to include mandarin, pine scotch, peppermint, and candy cane blend. Y'all, I'm a candy cane fanatic. The bonus items, 2 lip balm containers, a tin and a spray bottle. The recipes to look forward to, a sugar scrub, hello, salve, a room spray, a lip balm. Oh, y'all, you know you're going to need that lip balm for Christmas. And a Christmas-inspired diffuser blend and a congester roll-on. So, lots of fun stuff for the December box. I do know that the November box is almost sold out. So, if you're interested in getting the November box, I'll be sure to link the link below to my link, as well as giving you a code where you can get a $40 gift certificate for free. Oh, look at Nosy over here. He loves essential oils too. Okay, and then this is just a note from Katie. Katie is the recipe formulator and the certified aromatherapist. And Katie is absolutely adorable, isn't she? Oh, cute, cute. Okay. So, wait, let's make something. What do we want to make? Okay, let's make the lime and eucalyptus roll-on. Okay, so we're going to need the fractionated coconut oil. That's going to be this one. We're going to need a roll-on bottle and 3 drops of the lime and 3 drops of the eucalyptus. Okay. My little man's going to help me over here. Okay, so these little roll-on pieces just pop out like that. So we're going to need 3 lime, 3 eucalyptus, and we're going to fill the rest up with our coconut oil. So we'll just do 1, 2, 3. Oops, that might have gotten a little bit more. Oh, y'all, this lime smells delicious. It smells like a fresh cut lime. And we're going to need 3 eucalyptus. So we'll go 1, 2, 3. That was easy enough. Okay. Coconut oil. I bet you I'm going to have to open this. Oh, no, it's already open. Oh, just kidding. Okay. Y'all, I love essential oils. I like to put them in my cleaning products. I like to diffuse them. I have several roll-ons. Like, I love essential oils. And Simply Earth does sell the extra roll-on bottles on their website, as well as the coconut oils, all of your carry oils. They sell all of this on their website. And again, it's at a fraction of what the big box or the, the other companies sell it for. Okay. Apply to your pulse points for energy, congestion relief, and an uplifting aroma. So, let's see. Oh, that smells really good. Oh, yum. Look, my kitty wants some. You want some? Okay, so now we can just take our lime and eucalyptus roll-on sticker right here. Okay, so now we'll just take our scissors and cut our sticker so that we can put it on our lime and eucalyptus roll-on bottle. And this says it takes about 1 minute to make, and they weren't kidding. Like, it was pretty quick. Y'all, how fun was that? Oh, man. Look at there. This would also be great to do for teachers' gifts for Christmas if you got a couple of these little roll-on bottles, because you have a ton of essential oils here in your box. So you can grab a couple of these. I think they're like 99 cents a piece on Simply Earth's website. You could grab a bunch of these, do teachers' gifts. That would be really fun. I don't know a teacher out there that would not love some energy and uplifting aroma during their school day. I just think this is a great, great gift. Let's see if we have enough time. We'll definitely be diffusing this. I'm going to do that one. A couple of these, we have to use the coffee grinder. And I don't have my coffee grinder in my room, so we'll do those later. But I will definitely give you feedback and let you know how they turned out. So that does it for today's video, y'all. This is my review of the Simply Earth November box. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to check out Simply Earth's website. And if you place an order, use code DIYMamaFree for a free $40 gift card. And don't forget about the referral program too, because everybody likes a free box, right? And also don't forget to enter my giveaway. I will link the instructions for how to enter down below. And until next time, happy DIYing, y'all.